Hi there everybody, in today's tutorial we're gonna simply guide you on how you can buy USDT in Binance. Try to stick around to the end of today's video. It's gonna be a straight and a simple video, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, by the way, if you don't have a Binance account, all you have to do is click on the link down below and you can earn up to 40% or what equals about 25 BUSD for free. So try and make sure to do this. Okay. So the first thing you have to make sure after creating your account is that your account is actually verified. So all you have to do is go to security or identification, and after doing that you will simply verify it with your personal information. There's me right here. The current features I have is 50k daily, unlimited crypto deposit, 8 million BUSD daily, crypto withdrawal limit, and P2P transaction unlimited, and some other features as well. But if you verify with proof of address, it's gonna take like it's gonna give you like a limited crypto deposit limit, withdrawals up to 2 million per day, which is actually crazy. So make sure you verify your account. After that, all you have to do, and by the way, for guys who knows how to buy crypto already, you can go ahead and skip like 1 minute in the video before me showing you how to buy USDT. So the second thing you're gonna click is on buy crypto right here, and make sure that you have either one of those. So bank deposit, Swift bank transfer, or debit card, Visa or MasterCard. P2P trading, we're gonna go to this after a while. And third party payments, I'm gonna start with this one. So if you have either SimpleX or Banxa or Paxos, which work with Visa, MasterCard, or bank transfer or wire transfer, you will be good to go. All you have to do is I have read and agree to the terms and just confirm, and you'll be good to go. So answer maybe $30 right here, and you'll be able to buy it in BUSD, but instead of BUSD, just make sure to choose USDT. And it's the same thing for credit cards, pretty simple. So for P2P, you guys, all you have to do is choose the currency that you have. So like the fiat currency, say USD or United Arab Emirates. So your SAR, for example, Saudi and Riyal. And after that, make sure to just choose the region right here. You can also choose your region, which is going to be Saudi Arabia, of course. And after that, you'll see a lot of people with a lot of payment solutions, as you can see, with even like Cash App, bank transfer, a lot of solutions that are going to get you the crypto that you want. And after, say you have in this case some crypto that is actually either Bitcoin or something like that, all you have to do, make sure go to trade, Binance Convert, choose the token that you already have and transfer to USDT, and you'll be good to go. I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope to see you in another video.